Talapati Vijay, actor, a youth icon, and now a chief minister candidate. In 2026, Tamil Nadu will witness a historical political battle, not just between DMK and AIADMK, but between the old system and a new wave, a wave led by one man, Vijay. Hello, I'm Uma. Welcome to Trendline Times, where we break the noise and bring you the truth. July 4th, 2025, a political landscape shook. Tamilaga Vetri Kalagam TVK officially declared Vijay as their chief ministerial face for 2026. No alliance with BJP, no alliance with DMK. Vijay's message was clear, independent, bold, clean. Surveys suggest Vijay could win up to 20% vote share. That's huge for a debut, but is it enough to win 118 seats? That's the real fight. But wait, let's ask the bigger question. Why are so many youth standing behind Vijay? Why is he already being seen as a clean alternative? This journey did not start in 2025, it started decades ago, silently with action. Sources say when Cyclone Gaja hit Tamil Nadu in 2018, Vijay did not just tweet, he sent relief trucks, food, and essentials to multiple districts. In 2020, during the pandemic, he personally distributed 1.3 crore through his fan clubs to help poor families, migrant workers, and students. Thousands of students have received education fees, laptops, uniforms, and job assistance through Vijay Makkal Iyakam. He never called a press meet, never took the stage, but people saw and remembered. In 2021, Vijay rode a bicycle to his polling booth. It wasn't a photo shoot, it was a protest against fuel price hike, against injustice. When his film Sarkar got attacked for criticizing government schemes, he stood firm. He said art should reflect truth, and the people clapped. His films Marcel, Sarkar, Master, and Leo all carried a political fire beneath cinematic layers. Tax issues, healthcare corruption, corporate mafia, and the broken education system. These were not just dialogues, says sources. TVK isn't just a fan club turned party, it is building booth level infrastructure, data backed campaign teams, and grassroots mobilizers. In September 2025, Vijay will start